We're told a group of 12 friends pack supplies for a camping trip. Each person packs 10 snacks and 3 water bottles in their backpack. How many total items do they pack? So pause this video, have a go at this before we do this together. All right, now let's do this together. So there's a few ways I could approach it. We could say, all right, I have 12 friends. And then how many items do each of those friends have? And so however many items each of them have, I can multiply it by 12, and then I'll have the total number of items. Well, it looks like each of them, they have 2 types of items. They have snacks and water bottles. So each of them packs 10 snacks, and they also pack 3 water bottles. So what we'd want to do is first add the number of snacks to water bottles per person, per friend, and then multiply by 12. I could write it in another order. The important thing is to realize that the order that is showing up in the word problem here, or in the description, isn't necessarily the order that you do the operations in. So for example, I could add the 10 plus 3 first to figure out how many items does each person carry, and then I would multiply that times the number of people. These two things are equivalent. Because of these parentheses, I'm adding the 10 plus 3 first in either case. So let's do that. 10 plus 3, we can do that in our heads. This is going to be 13. And then we need to multiply 13 times 12. And some of you might know what 12 times 12 is, and we just have to add one more 12 to that. But I'm just going to write it out to do it properly. So we want to multiply 13 times 12. So we can start in the ones place, at least on the 12. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Another way to think about it, 2 times 13 is 26. Now I'm going to go to the tens place, at least on the 12 here. And so I'm going to put a 0 here. So 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. And another way to think about it, I just multiplied 10 times 13, which is indeed 130. And now I can just add things. 6 ones plus 0 ones is 6 ones. 2 tens plus 3 tens is 5 tens. And then I have that 100 there. So I get 156 is the total items that they pack. So this is equal to 156. And we're done.